I swear to God. Dede Ayew. So Nyankopon the best daye. Whoever is going to convince him to contest as the president of the Ghana Football Association, do it for me wholeheartedly. I will not take a penny from anybody. I will use my own resources to make sure Okraku is kicked out. If we have to bring money to help during elections, we will raise the money to kick Okraku. What kind of stealing is this? From time 930 free as FA boss no. Ever see this time no? More receive $98,000 twice into Yanya the Yempreno. Are you sick? Atapoku. Radio they can tell you what the premiership should look like, what they need to do. Oh, free 98,000. If Dede Ayew wants to be the FA boss and lead the Ghana Football Association, we know his passion and the love he has for Ghana and the Black Stars and the international recognition he has and his father has and the connection he has been able to build outside this nation. He can bring something home. And the Hotiana League, yeah, my team's $98,000. I'm on board damn na Ghana. And I heard some guy be a footballer, so owner of a club. Listen to this nonsense. After all these things, there's one story here I want to talk about, and it's about a GFA. You see, 1 million Ghana will be handed directly to every single GPL club before the season starts. How much is 1 million cedis in dollars? If the dollar is at 10, I think it's about $100,000, oh? Mr. P, Mr. S. How much is 1 million cedis in dollars? Is it $100,000? I think so, right? 1 million Ghana cedis. You see, Ghana Football Association, Ket Okraku, or say club will be a 1 million Ghana cedis. What about dollars, may I saying? Team, how much is that in dollars? I want to be very sure about the money. $100,000. $100,000 for a team. Do you know what a football team is? Okraku, he's still the FA boss. And those PLBs and from FA, most of the club owners are foolish. A professional league, about 28 teams, so say 30 teams. You are playing over 30 matches. The minimum players are every team be able to register from 23 to 30 players. The team, they have to feed every player. They have to pay salaries. They have to $98,000. $98,000. They need to travel across the country to play games back and forth. They need to sleep in hotels. They have to make sure coaches and then the management staff, they are resourced or paid. When a player gets injured, they have to make sure say player they need to fly that player to another country to treat the player. The miscellaneous that comes with it. Daily. Now, items, sports equipment, they need balls. Then you say a club that is playing in the Ghana Premier League. You, an FA boss, you give them $98,000 and you foolishly tell me you still have to be the president of the Football Association. You are insane. This is the lowest. And I saw a video of one of the club owners saying that this is a plus. For 2 years, we have been giving 1 million Ghana cedis. You, that guy, you are not serious. You don't need to manage a team. You are just silly. 2026. Ghana Premier League, a football club, is giving $98,000. $98,000. Okraku is a mess. This guy goes to the World Cup. He has been to the World Cup about twice. This guy goes to the World Cup. He goes to take money. Anytime we compete in the World Cup, the government gives them money. When they compete, they are given money. Akwa went to Mimba and to Mimba put 2 stadiums together to give it a world standard even pitch, not the stadium itself. Leave the stadium renovation and upkeep to the government. He has not been able to put together even training pitches for the national teams. Na yada ho ti Ghana ha. Na akwa we say wama football clubs going to take part in the National League, $98,000. How many clubs in Ghana get sponsors who are able to give them even 100,000 Ghana cedis a month? How many teams in Ghana? Now, somebody will say, it is the responsibility of the teams. It is the responsibility of the FA to try and find sponsorship for the league, and that sponsorship should be solid. So it is part of the responsibility of the FA president to use his connections and his know-how to bring money into our league. So if the league is lacking money, who should we blame? The sports minister? Fuck off. We are supposed to blame the FA boss. Because your job is not just to be wearing tie and suit and walking around. Your job is to bring in money. That is why there are so many people who can contest, and we say you. Because we think or we thought that you are resourced enough, have enough connections to bring money into the league for it to look attractive, for teams to be receiving monies that will keep local players here. Because this guy has not managed the league well, because he has not been able to create avenues to bring in money, players don't ripe. They sell them to countries where they know they are not going to get any future. But because today, Premier League players are paid less than $1,000, you will get a player who is not matured enough to leave the shores of Ghana, willing to leave because the leader of the Football Association is a businessman. Or Obia, he does not care. Akwabeya FA boss, what can he point to and say, under my leadership, we have this training facility, this pitch that we built, this stadium that he has never. Every money that comes, now a Premiership League, now almost 98,000. Now me busi for two every DC nearby Ghana, $48,000. Me yere enemy mbaminu, $48,000. Yes. When myself and my wife enemy mbaminu, you fly from dollars nearby Ghana, it is $48,000. It's about twice Ghana Premiership Club. Are you kidding me? This is the lowest in the history of Ghana. Nansemete, the news was moving around that Dede Ayew wanted to contest. Hey, I am waiting for the day Dede Ayew will officially make that statement. I will sacrifice my platform to support him. Apo Okraku is a Bangladesh guy. He knows nothing. He's making money out of our soccer. In Kurano, recently, Black Queens Kobo, they were striking because na yenfo musika momu 2026. You are giving Premiership clubs $98,000. Now in my bag, papa, and the boy is saying, in my bag, papa. I'm saying I am waiting. I've still not gotten the official statement from Dede Ayew. But if what is going around is true, that Dede Ayew wants to contest and become the FA president, wallahi, I will commit everything to it. And I'll make sure Okraku is sacked. We need vibrant people. People who have passion for the game. You see, if you don't have passion, you have not been directly involved, you have not been on the pitch, you have not led your country. Anything that Samuel Eto'o is doing magic, because he's not just an administrator. He also has been there before. He has passion for it. When players are in need, he knows how it feels when a player is not being paid well. And their national teams are doing well. This Okraku is a fucked up businessman, making millions for no reason. And for all these years, akwa we for kurabamba fie yen kanasem. Boy na pempe my papa na friend say there and there asante. I saw some old video of his watch him or kasa and there and there ofui they are selling World Cup tickets like cheese. And we sit in Ghana and everybody is quiet because Okraku has run the league down. When they had this event, I listened to the sports minister. Now Kofi Adams or say, who are we supposed to blame here? Your league now as say no, when you see a blame no, we are not able to attract people to our league. In the 90s, the early 2000s, why were people going to the stadium? It is because the leadership, the Football Association leadership, were bringing money in here. Your job is not just to come and go and check the national team. Because I'm paying you or your agent and also FA boss. What is he doing? He's selling his players. Akwawe or they are a business for years. So I am praying and I hope that news that we heard recently that Dede Ayew want to contest. So far, I've not heard anything from them. I've not heard any official statement. But the day Dede Ayew will make that statement, the day Dede Ayew will make that statement, let me tell you, sometimes some positions are for some people. Right now, if you have an event around the world by FIFA, by CAF, and Dede Ayew is your FA boss, every single player or administrator would like to talk to him because they know him. They know his father. They know his impact. That is the connection we are looking for. People who go into the gallery that people will try to link up with. That is how you bait people to bring money into your league. This guy, nobody gives a shit about him. The football community, they don't know him. Football is a magnetic game. And when I say magnetic game, there are a lot of things that football attracts. That is why the World Cup, America made it business. That is why the World Cup, they realized that soccer is not just playing the ball with air in it. It is about attracting business. So when you get somebody who does not even understand, the fraternity does not know him. He's not part of the fraternity. The brotherhood does not know him. Who is Okraku? But when I mentioned, that's what I'm saying, I am hoping, I am praying that one day, Nansemu will get a statement, official statement from Dede Ayew comes that I am contesting. Because I know Dede Ayew even going out there with his father behind him to support him, he will bring in more money into our soccer than this guy. This guy is an agent. Why are we allowing these people to take advantage of us? Every single day. Every single day, these guys are stealing from us. We just ask Okraku. Wako World Cup saying, Mumusa say, World Cup in Yakoba Arena, a dear ben part of between the appointed so. Wako just carabidi. Mumusa on this Asante Banana Pimpima panel. Criminals, say you for. Mumusa almost said, because we can visit other countries and show you what they use the World Cup money for. Katokreku mekanche about Occult soccer. We have gone to renovate Massa. The last time I told this government, and specifically I told this minister, the government of the day, Kofi Adams, it is simple. Hand over every sports facility to NSA. Give them a budget. The interference by these politicians and the FA, it is making NSA struggle. You know why? Because NSA will only work when we allow them. Then when we give them the money, then we can hold them responsible. Right now, who can hold the NSA responsible for bad pitches in Ghana? Accra, Kumasi, Takoradi, Tamale. Who can hold them? Because the NSA is not independent. The NSA cannot get any money. The FA and the sports ministry, that is why our stadia, they are all deteriorating. Let us give the NSA an autonomous position. Hand over money to them and say, make sure every stadium is in good shape. Every pitch is in good shape. Now, when it is not done, we can hold them responsible. We can hold them accountable, and people have to be sacked. But today, NSA is sitting there. Workers, 50, who is maintaining the stadium? The last time we saw people holding hose and cutlasses, being near the Philly Stadium. Are you crazy? You people want to take everything. Let people know their job specification. Their stadiums are in good condition. They give that NSA the autonomous to do the job. And Tiabana Stadium the page and say, we question the NSA. Now NSA or try sports ministry, but sports ministry amaniska. Now the sports ministry amaniska. What is the NSA going to do? Stadium never say, Kumasi say, Accra say, Mogagofa green grass technology, or no so ba or they are so no they binika kregus no amamuzio no kudenim, because at the end of the day nobody fucking cares. So give the NSA the opportunity to work. Sometimes we advise you people. We follow soccer. We follow sport. We know. It is a more budget. Now minister and to me my NSA ska, because the minister is saying the NSA have to you see, to make your soccer grow, to have better league, to attract people to the stadium, you need great facilities. Yamfa NSA to me ma omo. Ne yankan chom say every government facility. Now say mate, yase boteman. Di na moko e no. I started say who is in charge? NSA. This is way no money. Mopa mon Fred the boss of NSA. Now Mumbusa said the budget you're saying. Sikobe bono and do $30,000. I'm telling you. You can call the what's his name? Ampofu. Now Mumbusa Ampofu say, or no NSA na ya this stadium in Nashan in Sa. Dieng, Boteman Dieng. Sikabe no de ye only ska because the minister is not giving them money. Now we need to give them money. The budget na ye kind we need to have money for NSA. Now mameka binchiro. Special Prosecutor's Office kwasi sika o ma say no. Ye tam sa sika ni half my NSA said they should work independently. We will audit them. Unim kai stadium so no kai green. That is the thing. We are not picking our priorities. Our priorities, we are so bad at picking our priorities. Anything that's na Okraku or Tieli Peka Krebisika SPL because all that he has to do is build a gang. When election no yisika, no a group of people. All that you need is 30%, 40% ingrown. You pay them, you are good. So Okraku can be president of the FA for 30 years because he makes money and he pumps the money into the hands of these PLB, Professional League Clubs Association. He feeds them like chicken. They'll go and stay here. They don't care. Your stadium not say the FA boss needs to be held accountable. Sikana mudi free World Cup by na na mudi ye into make Ghana Metiano. I should promote a club in Ghana to play. I mean the only club I will promote in Ghana is Mediama. The only club I will speak of and promote them in around the world. Mediama. You know why? Because the leader, the owner, he wants to do business. Go and see their park. Go and see their pitch. Go and see facility, how they are organized. Team I met to me, I support to Ghana. I support to say, where I can see, say, the leader of the team, he knows business. He's doing soccer. Mediama and Nonkwa. But you know what hurts? Mediama and Nkwa cannot change Ghana soccer. We need every single club, every single the stakeholder to understand, say, Kurt Okraku is bad news. He's selling players. He's an agent. Let us get rid of him. And it's a bomb pie. I am praying. And if Dede Ayew really wants to be the president of the Ghana Football Association, he should make it early. He should let us know early. If Dede Ayew wants to be the FA boss, if he wants to contest and lead the Ghana Football Association, at least we know his passion and the love he has for Ghana and the Black Stars and the international recognition he has and his father has and the connection he has been able to build outside this nation. He can bring something home. Now in the Tiana League, yeah, my team's $98,000. I'm on board damn na Ghana. And I heard some guy be so a footballer, so a owner of a club. Listen to this nonsense.
One, the economic value of the Division 1 league is not like ours. Ours is bigger. Two, you know what? For him to have maintained the 1 million is significant for him. He has no idea what he has done for the clubs. You have taken like a third of the budget of some of these clubs. Let's say I'm playing with $300,000 in a season, and you take $100,000 away. You've really helped me. What he has done today is significant, is transformative, and it's a cap in his feather. He's done very well. Get us. Because the last time we got money into our pockets directly as clubs was when Mr. Nyantechi gave us money during the Glow sponsorship time. So for us to have gotten 1 million back to back, that's a decent cushion.
The last time you got money was when Nyantechi left office. When Nyantechi left, it has been kept till date. And if for just 2 seasons, he's giving you 98,000 a year, you are mad. That alone should tell you Kek is not supposed to be the leader of the Ghana Football Association. Nyantechi free ho as president of Ket Beshe Hono. From that time till now, you have received 1 million twice. Namo soccer na mo ya ma adwiri nyadwuma na. Mo na mo ye corrupt, mo na mo say Ghana log soccer no. Nyantechi koye a wo be share ho as Ket ebe sin there no. Afenyo will receive 1 million, 98,000 and you want these guys to still be the FA boss. You are sick in your head. Mo na mo say soccer no. Kakran kakrebi be mamo $1,000, 200. Oh ya toje si amount. Team we call unkwasi akasa be no. Then you are here praising Okraku. I swear to God. Dede Ayew, obia obeso daye. So Nyankopon the beso daye. Whoever is going to convince him to contest as the president of the Ghana Football Association, do it for me. Wholeheartedly. I will not take a penny from anybody. I will use my own resources to make sure Okraku is kicked out. If we have to bring money to help during elections, we will raise the money to kick. What kind of stealing is this? Say, from time Okraku a free a 930 a free as FA boss no see this time no more receive $98,000 twice into Yanya the Yempreno. Are you sick? Atapoku. Radio so they can tell you what the premiership should look like, what they need to do. Oh, free 98,000. Yeah, they got dinner 3 days now, sir. Do you know what the football club is? Do you know the ecstasies? Do you know what entails, what you need to put together to make a football club? When was the last time we went international as football clubs in Ghana at any international level to win even a game? Confederation, we can't play. Champions League, we can't play. The league is messed up. We have no fucking league. Nobody's attracted to the league. Who are the players that you have to point to and say, this is a player who has stayed in the league and matured? We had the Charles Taylors, the Oseko Force, the Sam Johnsons. We have the Ember Powers. They played, they matured before they left the nation. But today, there's nothing attractive here. Nobody's attractive, anything. We are playing like hungry dogs. Players are not even paying, receiving salaries more than $500. See this. And then you sit here, while when Nimu Sangrabe say, he has done well. The mediocrity in a foolish African. This Okraku, he needs to be kicked out. The nonsense needs to stop in Ghana, guys. Your league not saying Ket has been doing business from day one. He does not care about your game. He has never stood up on a pitch to sing the national anthem. He does not know how it feels like when national teams lose, when club championship you go and he does not feel it. His mind is, who am I going to sell next? Who is going to be sold next? This guy, I'm going to sell him. He doesn't fucking care about the passion you people have in your game. We need people who have passion, who love it, who want to represent Ghana, who want a name. This guy, the name he wants is to make money for himself. Okraku is bad news. Those times, make otokone zama like Namu Stadium. Ashanti Goldfields and Asek Mimosa, Namu Stadium. I have watched Ghana League. Menya Kwarasa Au. I've been there. My father played for Ashanti Goldfields. He played for Takwa Mines. My father's playing mate is Akwesi Appiah. When Akwesi Appiah comes to Ghana, he comes to my father's house. He's his playmate at Takwa Gold Mines. So don't think that we don't know what we're talking about when we're talking about soccer. My dad played in Nigeria. At a point, he was called at the national team. Don't underestimate the things we say. And Jimmy's how these people are criminals. They don't care about you. Your league is going to die and die until you change the leadership. Until you change the leadership. If you don't change the leadership, this is how it's going to be. And nothing is going to bring it back. Okraku needs to lose the election. We need to find a way to kick him out. And I'm pleading with the Ayew family. If Dede Ayew really wants to do this, I am pleading with him. He should give it a great thought. He should consider it. We, people like us, we are just waiting. We are just waiting for Dede Ayew to make an official statement. Said the echo around in the true and one kwana mepe. That's all that I need. We will change the face of Ghana soccer. We will bring it home. We will make it lucrative. We will make sure players are kept home, become matured players who will be sought after, not players going out and chasing grass. Are you mad? The league is dead. It's done. The National Sports Authority, the NSA, my advice to the sports minister, right now we need to draft. We need to draft a whatever and make sure the NSA is independent. They are giving money, budget, and we tell them to do their job. When they fail, we sack. Because right now, if NSA is not working, who are you going to blame? They are not going to take that fucking blame because they need money to work. Also, on here, Kumasi Stadium, Takrady Stadium, Northern Region Stadium, Onshore Stadium, so on keeping it wide, on making sure. How many workers does the NSA have in Ghana? NSA and the workers, yes, the workers who are going to be watering the grass, going to keep the stadium clean, going to make sure everything is NSA, and Pofuankra Dano, Nipa saying, Omuye Juma Wanase, Omundu 30, NSA. Now we have all these stadiums. I just said the president wants to build 10 more stadiums. When I'm going to Mr. President, you need to fix this before you touch anything, say you want to build a stadium. Fix the NSA. Mr. President, before you build these stadiums, or stadium, or whatever you call it, if you don't get the NSA to take full responsibility of our stadiums, give them money because Obe build 10 in 4 years, you never say. And this is an advice to the government and the president. So if the president can call the NSA boss with a sports minister and ask him NSA boss, what should we do to be able to sustain our stadium? We want to hand over the stadiums to you. Every facility in this country, every sports facility, swimming facility, every sports facility, we are going to hand it over to you. How many people do you need to employ nationwide? This is the budget we are going to give you. We want to see results. That is what you do when you're building, when you're resetting. That is what you do. Now, stadium is saying in there, only any serious decisions about NSA. You want your stadiums to be good, you are not going to get it right. You can pump billions in Kofobe D. Separate the NSA from the sports ministry. Don't let the NSA work on a sports ministry. Let the sports ministry stand alone and let the FA stand alone. That is how you will see results. And Mete story, want to me campaign picks up NPP chairmanship forms despite incarceration.
That's your Ghana for a that Nufusu bad time. What's it Nufusu? And then a situation that a situation so at that. Now to Nufusu and yet that is a situation and so Aqualano for Sunaman Nufusu no, he said, I know never Aqualano.
Yani Jinemo. Any asa bo. Aqua bo. I macho man for another we say. Macho man no sport kitty no I say. The macho man for we gay and I'm now be say muscles na tiaps na enka kra. Now, you see, Want to Miss campaign picks up NPP chairmanship forms despite incarceration. You see, NPP for support to want to me for a form. A support to want to me or that prison. Kromfona o demuno. E winina why galam say kunipa. Ama nipa bra bo ase wo Ghana wa say nsuo no. NPP for ni bia kofa forms say want to me dem. But your cover forms say ombedi chairman. Na MPP na. It will win your bad chairman friends a woman as mudi mujimi o. Just say mubo mutaban mu say ya na jimi no spread the monkeys them no na fe ne to. Just say there's nothing in this that penyin any party we mu ana. For somebody who has been incarcerated obi a jailing no dem 20 years. Party epe to me. Yes, see, obi oda journey and to abamano. Now, you people, like, sometimes I'm on flip a coin like a crack. Now, Monka say, oh, I dear way, ye, anka NDC for the ya, Kayanin trouble with the Quebec. Me Pasana, more from penny for now, Mocasa as no neck, National Executive Council, Mudua Mumbusas a question and say, Baumia, sledge, crack. We want to ask. I dear ye, this is here, MPP for your cover forms, I'm a chairman, want to be a jailing because of Galamseno. Senke your opponent in a year, dear Nanka and Yebeka. Hana Munginiana. I am a partner Mugumuno. I am a Mukoya MPP got talent to be one would be moana. Debia Mikasa when you want me to ask you. I have 3 months beyond more frefre. Namuko share quiet. And a munya mokwa moti or sonoso. Na oprosibukon. Because yenya yenim location no. Yenim time amode add the Bible ntene. Yenim time amutumi organizing no because MPP got talent in me who may be amoye no. Because every time bia mutumi identify a unique foolish individual to come be part of your party. Now MPP got talent no. I message and I link na mo share. And I'm more office bi obi anim. Ah mo call quiet and ajo. Mo wiya na makwa fail forms no say mo person mo MPP got talent. Na mo ya ayana mo solite o ana mo picking confor ne saying because every 3 months bia mo yi aboa foforoba na party a eye enyansafo guma ampenifo wo ma omunya agimifo. How can a political party a obi a ye jaili no oden fiase yes say ya to abama ne so me ye koye forms amano. Now let me show you this. Debi am kasa MPP for Jimmy we say Kevin Diatem omunya omuma ni nyina mo Jimmy he. This is the MPP constitution. This is the constitution of the great tribal piglet party, the MPP. Mama show adebi. Already MPP for ankasa constitution omode bo party no banya. This is what it says clearly. It states it clearly. no gidi a clear English. MPP for one constitution in here. And I quote, a member shall be disqualified. Yakasa shall. There are no options. It's a command. It needs to be done. Nyankopon say shall. You cannot question shall. Say, and I quote, a member shall be disqualified from holding any office or contesting any election in the party if he or she, end of quote, almost say, Obieni wo betumi ejina di brebia wo party nim. Saa nipa na osi eyi ni frim, se nyoma edidi sui, saa nyoma ya edidi sui, saa nipa no nyoma edidi sui abibabo sui, se ode ne ho afrofro bim anase dane so a, saa nipa no eni se ya pene ma obi kura beje forms ma no. We are the NPP manifesto. And he goes on to say, it then specifically covers conviction under Article 3, 4, 2. The relevant categories are 1. Article 342A, conviction for high crime. Conviction for high crime, high treason, treason, an offense involving state security, dishonesty, fraud, or moral turpitude. Chairman Wuntumi has been involved in crime. He has been involved in high treason. He has been involved in treason. He has offense involving state security. Chairman Wuntumi has been dishonest. He has committed fraud or moral turpitude. Ninyina Chairman Wuntumi ayebi. MPP for constitution no. Momo Jimmy ankasankasa mumma ene muye mumma nyina. Two. Article 342B says what? Conviction for an offense punishable by death or a sentence of not less than 10 years. Unless 10 years have elapsed after serving the sentence or the person has received a full pardon. Yes, obi a yamda ko tu fiase a ebro enfie du. The Constitution says a member shall be disqualified. For them to even give those people a form, it's a criminal political party. For them to even say, Chairman Wuntumi, ebusiafo ne supporters, monje forms to crank off in a party in kwasiafo ne di from neck to the last messenger. The party has no rules. Penyini nimbiam adani nyan. En kwasiafo no mugu party dim. Emra nye juma. MPP got talent. Point 3. Article 342C. What does it say? Conviction for any offense related to public elections. So at least these 3 points, 2, Chairman Wuntumi falls within deep. So, then a party kase by J forms media manko fobiso omunfan koma Chairman Wuntumi. Party de Jimmy. And you see, Omon Kwaji forms in them, they don't know these things. They don't have an idea. Omon Constitution government yase. Mr. Obia we Jimmy we MDC muno or a professor we MPP mu. 90% of MPP phone go school omu yunkurase for ma. These are selfish ingrates. All that they do is that unimiye. This is their own constitution. And it states clearly, you'll be jailing over 10 years, yeah, man, for pardon. On several 10 years, they should not. That nipano, he or she shall be disqualified. Ubedi mi matem, se me diatem, mwe Jimmy. Monji 2 pictures no, ochina, bloggers no, mo siya sheshe no. Mon kanje say Kevin Taylor say mon ko busa mon penifo moi mo constitution ni zaga boom 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 za yeah shake me zaga boom 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 za yeah shake me zaga boom 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 za Yeah. Shake me. Masharita, Dede, Monterita, Dede. I'm means my coming to me. Dede. Ah, king. Slim. We. You know, we have been dead too. I am a dead bruta, be a DJ, me and the power be a philosopher, me a Liberian, me also Ankasa be a captain. I'm from I say, I'm from the Black Rooney. Me Ankasa so from Kanuti Panya in a show. Nipa bako, maswa chen hina about the train, abo my battery, or 2 4 for cinema. Oh, ye be ye. Messiah Max tribe, me angrily kakra, and I'm young fantinica. Oh, young shane, Messiah was antimemu. Dede. We. Chiki. Wah. Slim as a baby, slim. Me a chairman o MPP national chairman. Me say omunyina na ya vete be nkoa na me wini. Me beje form na nsen ya. Ya see I extend forms no. Obia nkofo bom pick forms no. Mo Jimmy inti monko na monko kinkan we mo constitution ni mu.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.